Yo, what's going on, lads and lassies? Welcome back to Crypto Daily on this analysis video on Bitcoin. Take a look at the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, Bitcoin failed to hold support at the 96,813 level, and now we are currently testing this trend line at 95,886. In order for Bitcoin to remain bullish, we do need to hold this trend line and come up and break through this resistance zone up at 98,939. If we are able to do that, then the next area of resistance is going to be 101,827, and then this big one up between 104,863 and 106,421. However, I do think the most likely scenario, and at least in the short term, is that this trend line does break and we do come down and test these levels down at 94,076, 91,943, and potentially even this big one between 90,626 and 88,245. And the reason for this is, if we take a look at the indicators, practically all of them are starting to flip bearish right here. And if we look at the Lux Algo market sentiment, it's also very bearish. Another reason that I do think that Bitcoin is going to be going lower is if we take a look at the liquidation heat map, there is currently 31.7 million of long positions lying at approximately 95,020. So if Bitcoin was to come down to 95,020, there are going to be 31.78 million long liquidations, which would cause the price of Bitcoin to spike lower. If you aren't currently in a Bitcoin position and was wondering what would be some good levels to get in at, then I do think that these levels down at 94,045 and 91,876 would be a good place to do so. Or if Bitcoin does continue to pump and break above this resistance at 96,820, you could wait for Bitcoin to form a couple 4-hourly candles above this resistance zone, forming a bull flag pattern, which is typically a very bullish pattern, and then most likely Bitcoin would rally to the next resistance up at 100,407. But like I said earlier, I do think it is most likely that Bitcoin will come down and test these levels down at 93,998 and 91,920. And I do expect this level between 98,998 and 91,894 to most likely hold. However, if we do break below this, then this level between 90,615 and 88,313 I think will be very strong support, and I think it is very unlikely that we would break below this level. I am personally have a little limit order set at 93,948 and 91,957, and I have my take profit up here at 106,396, as I do think Bitcoin will most likely see at least one more rejection from off this point before eventually breaking through it and pushing higher. This is all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.